Hey, g'day there, Craig from KickAss, and let's check out our 170 amp hour Slimline battery tray. You ripper. She's ideal to mount your Slimline battery in confined places like behind your car seat and places where you normally couldn't mount a battery. You beauty. Universal mounting applications, we've got more holes than Henry's bucket, but if you can't find one, being aluminium, it's nice and easy to drill into and work with. You ripper. Lightweight aluminium and powder coated in this awesome kick-ass black. Heavy duty straps to keep your battery secure. Your battery's not going anywhere. We even throw in some mounting hardware to get you started. Oh, don't forget the optional extra battery tray accessory panel. Now, this is an absolute cracker. Now, I've got our DC-DC mounted into this. I've put my battery meter on the very front of it. How cool is that? Now, it'll bolt onto the side of the battery tray, and it's really, really groovy because you can mount a heap of gear there you normally wouldn't have a mounting surface for. So there you have it, the kick-ass 170 amp hour Slimline battery tray. Head online or head in store today.